Finding the perfect gift for a gardener is about more than buying another tool. These 15 thoughtful finds help them grow, create, relax, and enjoy every corner of their garden. Quick note before we begin. Some links in this video are affiliate links. If you make a purchase, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Let's begin with gifts that make growing easier, more organized, and a little more rewarding, from the first seedling to the final watering. This self-watering 80-cell seed starter kit gives seedlings a strong start with controlled moisture, grow lights, and plenty of room for an abundant planting season. Bring fresh herbs indoors with this 8-pod hydroponic garden. Its built-in light and compact footprint make year-round growing easy, even without a sunny windowsill. A dedicated potting bench gives every gardener a comfortable place to plant, prune, and organize supplies. The cabinet keeps tools and soil essentials conveniently within reach. This electric kitchen composter turns everyday food scraps into a useful soil amendment with far less mess, making it a smart gift for gardeners who love sustainable routines. A classic metal watering can is both useful and beautiful. Its generous 1-gallon capacity and long spout make everyday watering feel just a little more charming. Next are gifts that make time outdoors more comfortable, inspiring, and fun, whether they're tending plants, watching wildlife, or simply enjoying the view. This solar rock waterfall adds soothing movement, gentle sound, and evening illumination to a garden bed or patio, without needing an outdoor electrical outlet. A hori-hori knife is the multitasker gardeners reach for again and again. This sturdy 7-inch blade can dig, divide, cut roots, measure depth, and tackle stubborn weeds. This raised garden bed makes growing vegetables and flowers more accessible, while the self-watering design helps maintain consistent moisture during busy or hot days. Give their knees and back a break with this convertible garden kneeler and seat. The attached tool pouches keep their most used supplies close at hand. This solar trail camera offers a fascinating look at the wildlife visiting after dark. Wi-Fi connectivity makes checking crisp photos and videos much more convenient. Our final group combines clever garden technology, earth-friendly helpers, and a few well-earned ways to slow down and enjoy the space they've created. For the gardener who watches every cloud, this smart weather station tracks temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind, pressure, and more from one detailed display. This 50-gallon rain barrel collects water for future garden use, while its woven finish and planter top help it blend beautifully into the landscape. An organic shiitake mushroom kit is a wonderfully unexpected gift. It brings the satisfaction of growing something edible indoors, with everything needed to get started. After a day of planting, this portable hammock offers a shady place to relax. The folding frame and canopy make it easy to enjoy almost anywhere outdoors. This compact wooden cold frame protects young plants and extends the growing season. 2 tiers create useful space for seedlings, herbs, and tender flowers. Explore all 15 gifts on the Best Finds by Pamela blog. The link is first in the description. You'll also find the complete Amazon collection there for easy browsing.